So you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and you have an issue where you're stuck in a boot loop. It'll get to here basically and then it's going to restart. It'll keep on restarting repeatedly. I'm going to give you guys a bunch of solutions to get you up and running, okay? Take note first thing that this one here is actually fixed, but we're going to pretend that I'm stuck in a boot loop, okay? So let's pretend I'm stuck in a boot loop, okay? It keeps restarting over and over. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to force it, the watch here, to restart, okay? So how we do that is very simple. Press and hold both buttons here and do not let go until we see a Samsung logo, okay? So let's pretend I'm stuck in a boot loop right here. Press both buttons. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just press and hold. Just keep holding. Just wait until we see a Samsung logo, okay? Pretend I'm still stuck in a boot loop. Just wait. Okay, now when the Samsung logo appears, go ahead and let go. And hopefully it will boot up to the regular clock face and you are now out of the boot loop. If you're still caught in the boot loop, we're going to go to the next possible step. Okay, so let's pretend I'm still stuck in a boot loop. The next thing we're going to do is, first thing is the power button up here, the power/home buttons on the top button. What I want you to do is spam it, okay? Basically press it in and out. It's possible you got some kind of coffee in there or sweat or some kind of juice and it can get the power button stuck or jammed in there and that can cause a boot loop as well, okay? So spam it a few times just like that. Now, let's pretend that my watches here is constantly rebooting here. Now, from here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. Okay, so we'll do this together again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. And just keep on holding. Let's pretend I'm stuck in a boot loop. Just wait. Just wait till the screen turns off now. Now wait. Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go. And now, hopefully, it boots up to your clock face and you are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next possible step. Okay, so if the first two methods didn't work, the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to try and wipe the cache partition. Okay, the thing is, before we go to the wipe cache partition, if the first two steps didn't work for you, try first step again and second step. Doesn't work, try it like 3, 4, 5, 6 more times, the first two steps. Okay, if it doesn't work, then the next thing we're going to try to do is wipe the cache partition. Okay, and wiping the cache partition is only deleting temporary files that you really don't even need anyway. If it gets cluttered, it can cause all kinds of issues with your watch. It can cause a boot loop, it can cause slow, laggy performance, hesitation and whatnot, okay? So how do we wipe the cache partition? It's very simple here, okay? So this is what we have to do. First thing is we're going to press and hold both buttons here. Press and hold both buttons and just, okay, and the thing is, some of you guys may be able to get to this screen to wipe the cache partition, some of you may not, okay? So just try, okay? Anyway, press and hold both buttons here again. Just wait until you see that when the Samsung logo appears, let go of both buttons and then quickly start pressing the power button, okay? So we'll do it together. Press and hold both buttons here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Keep on holding. Pretend I'm still stuck in a boot loop here. Still holding on both buttons, waiting for the Samsung logo to appear. Then I'm going to let go of both buttons and then start pressing the let go and then power button. Just press the power button. Hopefully I got it that time. Okay, I got it. So this is the screen that I'm in now that you should be in. And then from here, listen closely. So from here, we want to go down and highlight recovery, okay? So here's the power button here. You just tap the power button to keep moving down, okay? Move down, move down. If you pass it, then just it's okay. Just start back over. Just keep on going and go all the way back down again. And we're going to highlight recovery, okay? Now, you highlight recovery. Now, to select it, we have to press and hold the power button. So let's press and hold and just wait for the screen to turn black, then let go. And give us 1 second, and we're going to boot up into another screen now. And then from this screen that's getting ready to pop on, that is where we will be able to wipe the cache partition. Okay, all right, so here we go. Now it's highlighted right now on the reboot system now. What you want to do is you want to move down. Now, if the button here sequence a little bit different. Now, if you want to move down, we use the bottom button, okay? So we can go down, just go down to where it says wipe cache partition, okay? Now the thing is, we can try to wipe the cache partition. Some of you guys may be able to get in here, okay? If you can get in here and the wipe cache partition doesn't work, don't forget we have another option here. You guys can always go back in here and you can try to do a factory reset. So you can go down to where it says wipe data/factory reset. Okay, anyway, we're going to wipe cache partition. So we're going to go down to wipe cache partition right there. To select it, we're going to tap on the power button. This message here basically says once you do this, this cannot be undone. So if you want to proceed, go down, highlight yes. So go down, bottom button here, highlight yes, and then tap on the power button here to select it. and then now it web cache partition is already done. Now it defaults, it highlights reboot system now is what we want. To select it, just press on the power button right there, and then go ahead and let it reboot, and hopefully you are now out of the boot loop. Now the thing is, you know, if the wipe cache partition didn't work for you, then you have the other option of doing a factory reset too. Also, for you guys that aren't able to get in that screen to wipe cache partition, the last solution I have for you guys, even if you did the factory reset and wipe cache partition didn't work, then what I would advise is this, okay? Try this. Just go ahead and let your battery run out. So while it's continually stuck in the boot loop, just wait like 1 full day or 2 days or whatever until the screen here turns totally black. So we know that the watch is dead. The thing is, when the watch is dead, there's still a little tiny bit of battery residual left in here. So once your screen turns black here and it's totally dead, you're going to have to wait another 2 days. Okay, after 2 days, then your watch is totally dead, and then from there, while your phone is totally dead, go ahead and pop it on the charger, give it a charge, and then go ahead and turn on your watch. And once you turn it on, you should be out of the boot loop. If you turn it back on and it's still stuck in a boot loop, then the same thing from the very beginning of the video, try the same steps, force it to restart, you know, and then go to the second step, spam the power button and force and restart, and go through every steps of the very beginning of the video, okay? Anyway, if you guys tried like everything, I'm gonna say at least like 75, maybe 80% of you guys should be up and running, okay? If this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know which step worked for you. And if it didn't, give me a thumbs down so everybody can see. All right? Good luck, guys.